Hello students, lecture 84. In this video lecture, we will discuss civics chapter number 6, that is political parties. First article, that is first question of this chapter is that why do we need political parties? Explain in 3 points, that is necessity of political parties. First point can be mentioned in this is that let us imagine or assume democracies without a political party. What will happen if there are no political party? Then every candidate in the election will be independent. So no one will be able to make any promise to the people about national developmental programs or for major policies. Second, government may be found, but its utility will remain ever uncertain in lack of collective efforts, because every individual candidate will look after their own interest. And third is that elected representatives will be responsible to their constituencies only, but no one will be responsible for how the country or the government at national level will be run. So, due to the above reasons, we need a political party for some kind of accountability, legitimacy, and responsive nature. That is why we need political parties. After that, the question comes the components of a political party. Component means what are the elements of a political party? Political party basically constitutes 3 components. Every political party constitutes 3 elements. The first element is or the component is the leaders, the party leaders. These are the leaders who control all the activities of party and maintain discipline of the party under the supervision of the party's head leader or the party's top leader. They make special agendas, policy programs for the party to for the interest, that is shaping of the public opinion, that what do public require. So they work on that area. Second component is the active members. A political party had active members, and these members work and reach to a common voter or a common man for informing them about the party's programs, and they try to convince the people, and after getting convinced, people also become the component of a political party. So the third component of political party are the followers. Followers are none other than the voters. All voters are the followers. Once they get convinced by the policy programs of one particular political party, they muster their support in elections and make the party to win. And vice versa, if some political parties in the past have not fulfilled their promises, in that case they do not support and parties lose elections. So this is what is the components of a political parties. So both these questions are important for 3 marks. Now I am only taking those core questions from each chapter which will help you, and whatever answer points I am writing in description area are very much calculated points for the examination point of view. So I request you first listen, try to understand, then note down those points and try to write down. If you follow, then I'm sure you will be one of the top scorers in social science subject. Thank you very much. Keep on watching, listening, and reading.